For years, he admired luxury cars from a distance. His passion for cars never faded, but his financial situation never allowed him to turn that dream into reality.
Good afternoon, sir. Please come on inside and have a look.
I can't even afford to repair this old car. Buying a new one is something I could never dream of.
Sir, I'd like to buy your car, and I'm prepared to pay much more than it's worth. Sir, this isn't goodbye to your car. I'm going to restore it, make it look brand new, and then gift it back to you. That same day, the car was taken to a professional restoration garage.
Let's see what we are dealing with here. It looks like a massive coolant leak. The rust is pretty bad here. We need a full frame-off restoration. Hello, your vehicle is fully ready. It is in excellent condition. All repairs are complete. Hello, sir. I hope you're doing well. Could you please come to the showroom today? I have something special waiting for you.
Sir, I believe these keys are meant to be in your hands. Sometimes life puts us through so many hardships that we begin to give up on our dreams. But today, standing before that elderly man was not just a car, it was the dream he had carried in his heart for so many years.